Hey guys, George Vendetta here today, and this is the second part of my PC building series. We have the second part, but we also have my address on here. We also have something else to go with my PC. This is something like a little update. But yeah, got a package right here. I'm gonna open it up, go take a look, and this won't be as long and as insane as the last one, but it should be fun. So yeah, let's roll the intro and get down to business. So, here's the package in the Amazon plastic package. Oh, we will actually, let's open up this one first. Come on, open. Open up. Open up. Open up, Johnny. Open up. I'm really terrible at opening things. I don't open shit that often, so. Here we go. Oh, dang, that's big. Holy crap. I was not expecting that. So this is a Misio 3.5mm to quarter-inch jack for my amp. Because as you know, I use an adapter, which breaks, and this is just a straight wire, which this should be good. Let's take a look at it, actually. This costs over £7.50 on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below if it's any good. Whoop. Well, I ripped the packaging, but whatever. What's this here? Warranty, extend 8 months. So it's a simple 1-inch cable. So you put your headphones in here, and you put this into your amp, guitar, or anything with a 1/4-inch jack. So pretty simple, short cable, and you don't want it too long. Yeah, pretty decent. It's gold plated on both ends, and it's, judging by the quality, the casing seems pretty good. It seems sturdy on here. Doesn't look like that's gonna break. The cable's alright. Maybe if it was braided, it'd be nice. But hey, whatever. For £7.50, pretty good steal. So yeah, let's put this to the side by here. So this should be able to just rip off. I don't think I need any. No, I don't. Aha. I don't need any tools. I can just rip it. Ooh, here it is. Oh my. I don't think I've had anything this cool, like gaming-wise. Here it is, the ROG Strix B450-F gaming motherboard. That's I memorized that. And as you can see, it is Ryzen ready by here. What I'll do is I'll flip this around. So here. Okay, thank fuck. It said Ryzen 3000 ready and Ryzen 2000. So even if I wanted to in future upgrade for Ryzen 2, I can without needing to flash the BIOS, which I cannot be asked. So or like sync for RGB, VR ready, AMD Crossfire, although oh, it's got AMD Crossfire, but not SLI. Then again, I probably won't be using SLI because I'll just be sticking in one card in here. And the rest of my slots will be used for like expansion cards and stuff. So yeah, let's get it open. Got a seal by here. Maybe my keys might be handy for this now. This is more of a classic style of unboxing. Oh, hold up. I've got some stuff on the back here. So, the things this motherboard tells you, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to flip this around for you guys to read so I can read as well. You know? You go, what was it? It's an AM4 B450, what was the most set? 4 DIMM slots. What was it? Ryzen 2nd Gen run Thursday. Got PCIe 3.0, 16X. Sorry about the trucks outside. Expansion slots. There's 2 16 slots, 1 8, and 1 4. Storage. You got 2 M.2 slots. Oh, I didn't know that. 2 M.2 slots. That's cool. No, it's free. What the hell? So where's the third one? We got one by here, and got another one by here as well. That's pretty cool. I like that. We got USB 3.1 Gen 2, port 2, Gen 2, ports 2, 3.1 Gen port 6, and then 6 USB 2s. Not bad. It's got a pre-mounted I/O shield, so that's pre-mounted in there. Yeah, dual M.2 HDMI 2.0, not bad. Or a sync right there. Yeah, so you got all your ports, you got your PS2, USB, 3.1 display port, Ethernet. Let's get it open. This is upside down. Let's not open that upside down. Let's flip the board. And I'm gonna open it like this. Can you guys see that mess over there? You can. Oh my god. That looks... Ooh, that motherboard smell. Now, this is the most modern... This is probably the most modern thing in my room right now. Out of everything here. Let's get it out of the bag. And let's inspect the board. Oh, before we get the motherboard out, we have a user manual, which I'll probably be needing. What's this? Some ORSync, stickers? Oh yeah, it is. We got a disk drive, although how I'm going to use that, I don't know. My PC won't have a disk drive in it, which is a big rip. But yeah, I'm going to have to look at this motherboard extensively when I build the system. Like, that's going to be a thing when I build it. We got a motherboard there, some drivers and that. We got some zip ties. We got some more SATA cables. Oh my god, I got so many SATA cables now. More SATA cables. What's this? Some standoff screws. Some, I think these, some other fan screws probably, I'm guessing. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yo, I like that. That's pretty cool. It's a, the choice of champions. Game on. You shall not pass. Like a door handle. I'm going to put that outside my door. That's pretty cool. So yeah, we got some more, what are these? These aren't zip ties. What are these? And these are fan splitters for like RGB and stuff. Okay. Pretty cool. We got some more like motherboard layout stuff, and we got stickers. Oh my god, that's cool. We got some stickers. Yo, I don't think I've gotten this much stuff in anything before. And we got a what was it? Republican? What was it? Of gamers? What was it? Thank you for purchasing this ROG Strix product. You made the choice of the champions. That's more than I've got in anything in a computer. That's pretty cool. So yeah, we got some lovely, actually decent packaging. Not bad. I'm a fan of this box as well. This is a great box. We're gonna place this on top. Oh god. Ooh, that's a beefy motherboard. Now it is the B450-F gaming or gaming F. So we got our 3 PCIe slots right here, two 16X and 1X, 1A. Can you guys see this? Oh, it's not frame. Here we go. And I'll put it in frame, and what I'll do is I'll tilt the camera down a bit more so you can see more vertically here. So I did the shadows. So we got our 4 DIMM slots here, our AM4 socket. We got our M.2, which is by here. And I think there's another M.2 under this, because I know this can come off. I just don't know how. Like I said, we got our pre-mounted IO shield right there. That's really nice. This is a sub £110, $120 motherboard. Not even my motherboard in my system right now has integrated IO. Like, damn. That's, and this nice, I was gonna go for the X470, but there was no way I can get it in stock. And this was in stock. And it's just got that black, it's just black. Black PCB is nice. To go with the black, it's funny, my build's gonna be like, mostly like black with RGB, which is gonna be nice. We got some Supreme FX sound. Hopefully, this is better than the sound of my motherboard. So yeah, we got 16X slots, we got both 8 and 4X slots on the board. So, it is the other M.2, so we got an M.2 over here. We got M.2 there and M.2 here. We got our SATA ports by here, our power. What else? Our VRM's going up here, our phase power here. We got this big beefy thing. So on the IO side, we have PS2. We have a wait, is that a Type C? Yeah, we have a Type C. Hey, look at that. Oh, look at that. We also have an optical port. I'll get some close-up footage of this for you guys to see. So guys, I am very sorry about all of the like B-roll shots. I've never really shot B-roll, and it's really hard to move without proper lighting. So the clips you see when I go up close on the motherboard, cut me some slack. It's my first time properly doing it. My room's terrible for lighting, so yeah. And some close-up footage of the board. So yeah, we got our mic in, line out, line in, Maria, C sub. I think that's gigabit Ethernet right there. What was it? DisplayPort, HDMI. This is such a integrated. That's so cool. I don't have to bother putting that on. That's gonna be sweet. And the entire board it just screams gamer. So this Strix thing right here will light up, and you can change that out in the box. And we have our mounting mechanism for AM4. The only other AM4 motherboard here is in that old PC, which, if I can, I'll find some footage and throw that on screen and show you where we've come in the last 15 years. This, I think, can come off. Maybe not. Maybe I'm just assuming that because there's nothing screwed down. Because, yeah. But overall, I'm loving this color scheme. It's just monochrome, it's not black. It's charcoal, it's like a dark mode in Discord. And you have the ROG Strix gamer stuff all over the board. Republican of gamers. So yeah, one of ASUS this time, going from a gigabyte motherboard. Nothing wrong with my gigabyte motherboard. It's just look how beautiful this board is. And oh wow, interesting. Are these metal? They are. Alright, these two slots right here are metal. So even if I have a graphics card sag, maybe it won't bend the board so much. So yeah, overall, looking pretty great. Actually, it is a good test. I want to see right now. We can use for reference right now. And if we just use this for reference, alright, that's a 2-slot card. Interesting. Alright. So 2-slot card. Oh god, dinging the board. 2-slot card. A 3-slot card should fit. What I'll have to do later is put this in my case to see if it fits. It should fit, as I've done all the measurements. But yeah, I'm using this old 660 Ti as a point of reference so I can just go off of size, man. And no, I'm not going to use the 660 Ti. I don't even know if this graphics card works. But as you can see here, this is a black PCB and this is a brown PCB right there. So you can see the difference. And this graphics card. So yeah, that is the B450-F gaming, Strix motherboard from ASUS. Why I picked this motherboard and why it's going to be going on my PC, the monocle black color scheme is one, and just overall, the features, you got 2 M.2 slots. I went with AMD because AMD is the leading in, in price to performance. You got 4 DIMM slots. Even though I think my own motherboard has 4 DIMM slots. Just want to go out on a limb here. Yes, Intel, back when Ryzen 2nd Gen, or Ryzen Plus launched, the 8700K was faster than the Ryzen 2700, but a few frames won't really make much of a difference. Like going from, for example, here is some TechSpot here. I was going to do user bench, but people hate this website. From TechSpot right here, Arma 3, which is a real game by the way. Ultra settings, 1080 Ti. The 8700K at 5 GHz, and the Ryzen 2700 at 4.2. So minimums and average is the light one. Minimums 90. This is 105. So a 15 FPS difference. To most people that's big, but to me and to a lot of casual and more basic people who still game on a 60 Hz display, really don't care. And that's a 720p. Dropping it down to 1080. Bumping it up to 1080p and even 1440p, there's not much of a difference. There's a difference, but it's not like AMD is at 92 and Intel is at 166. Then it'd be a difference. Jumping to ashes of the benchmark. See, it's still very similar. Jumping down to Assassin's Creed Origins. Once again, it is very similar. Yes, AMD is under by a few FPS, but they are, like I said in the video, price to performance. They are selling it much cheaper, and for what you get is much better. So, jump over here, just because you're getting less. I know these CPUs are quite old at this point. This is 2018, this is 2017, but whatever. On Ryzen, you're getting 8 cores of 16 threads. See a Zen Plus, not Zen 2. And then on the 8700K, you're getting 6 cores and 12 threads. My friend, my friend Manny, who streams at twitch.tv/fresh, go check him out. He had to upgrade from his 7700 non-K to a Ryzen 3700X because he couldn't stream Modern Warfare and play it. That's how insane. That's the problem with Intel right now. A lot of games like Modern Warfare and probably future games are getting really intense when you try to stream or play a higher, resolution. They even do Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six, Battlefield 1. You see where I'm coming from? I'm actually gonna keep this bookmarked. Even though Ryzen, when it was new, didn't really beat Intel, it beat it in price. The Ryzen, what is this? Look, if I go back onto here right now, let me go on to Amazon. Let me just go on to Amazon. Let me go .com, because if I go .uk, it'll show my address. If I type in 8700K from Intel, that is still a $420 processor. And then if I type in 2700X, that is a $279 processor. You can see the argument there. You lose 10 to 15 FPS, but you gain more with cores and threads, and it's cheaper. That's the problem that Intel is having right now. AMD is selling more cores, more threads. For a cheaper price. And even the regular is $2,700, $189. And then you can pick up a Ryzen 5 2600X for $150. And even the Ryzen 5s is really OP, to be honest. But yeah, that's my argument by it. Sorry to make this video long. I just want to get it out there in case any Intel fanboys oh, where you get a processor that doesn't beat Intel? Because Intel are sniffing their own farts, man. They don't know what to do anymore. AMD's come back swinging, So yeah, just want to clarify, that is why. Overall, this just has better cooling. And what's funny is as well, this is about the same price as the motherboard in my system right now. And you can't even buy the motherboard in my system. It's a Gigabyte Z170X SLI. I can't remember what it is. You can probably find it on eBay. But I was originally going to give the X470 so I could do some better overclocking. But I got this just for the price and for what it is. It's in that range of, it came out last year with Ryzen 2000, but it's, for what I'm going with, even the color scheme, it goes quite well. Yeah, I'm liking the look of it. Even though the other Asus motherboard was £50 more, this one is newer than that one. And yeah, so if you've liked this video, this is a quick little overview of the B450-F gaming. This is so cool. The board is, that's the back right there. The board is quite beefy. It's got some heft to it. So yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Like and subscribe to see more. Next month will either be my CPU or the graphics card. I don't know, because so far the case was 110. This was like 105. And the graphics card, maybe I should get a CPU. I want to get a graphics card because I want to test it in my case, because the graphics card I'm getting has 3 fans. It's an RTX 2070 Super WindForce X30C. Yeah, I know that's a mouthful. I want to stick 32 gigs of RAM in here as well, because I bought this motherboard because I want to. That system behind me, it was, even when I got it, what was it? Shout out my dad for getting it, you're the man. It was still kind of lacking in the editing and streaming. It could do that at the time, like some games, but not well. And even now, I think if you watch some of my videos, it I've been pushing it a bit too much. There have been cases where I've had to cut stuff out, and right now on that computer, DaVinci Resolve will do some weird editing stuff. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like it, subscribe. Check out my other video in the series, which will be the, what am I calling it? PC upgrade? Rig upgrade? I don't know. But there'll be a, what was it? The next, what was it? The last video of the series will be on the screen right now. And, yeah, check out my other video on my gaming channel. We just released, starting a new Minecraft series, like a proper Minecraft series. And I'm streaming as well on twitch.tv, so that will be linked down below as well. My Twitter, my Facebook page, possibly my Instagram, see how I feel. I'll be streaming, once you see this video, which will probably go live tomorrow, and by the time you see this, it will probably be Wednesday, which I'll be live then, around 4 p.m. And I'll probably stream until about 9 p.m. UK time. For California, it's about 9 a.m. to like 1 p.m. I'm just guessing here. But yeah, the B450 from ASUS. Wait, is it ASUS? Note for later, this is from ASUS. They just don't brand ASUS all over their board. They just brand, what was it, ROG Strix and Game On and Speed Velocity. No. ROG, my bad. Why did I say ASUS like 12 times? What is wrong with me?